In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more context and descriptions to your databases, database properties, and your database tabs. So first thing is the database page itself. So if you hover over the top of the page here, right below the cover image, you can see there's an add description option. So I'm just going to click on that. And now you can see we've been navigated with the cursor right below the name of the database to type in a description. So this helps to give context to the database by allowing you to describe what it is, add any information that people need to know about it. So anyone accessing the database knows what it's about and just has that context around the information that's contained within the database. So add any old description you want here, and you can keep typing. It doesn't have to be short. And I pressed enter, enter more, so you can keep typing as much context and description as you want. And then when you're done, you can just click off of it and it stays there and it's fine. Now you can see at the top, there's the option to hide the descriptions. So we can just do that and show the description. So you can view and hide that, toggle it on and off as you please. So the other way to add descriptions and context to databases is on database tabs. So same thing as with just the main database page description. It just allows you to give more context and information about the data contained within this particular database view, for example, the one called All Contacts. If we click on the tab, click on Rename, we have an option here, a little icon with an eye. And when we hover over it, we can add a description. So I'm just going to click on that. So same thing, we're navigated down here to this little dialog box with a cursor. Add your description here. And you can add whatever you like, keep typing. So then just press enter or click off when you're done. It's all good, and I'll close that dialog box. So now when I hover over this All Contacts tab where I added the description, you can see it pops up here. So it has a little black box. You have to stay on the name of the tab for it to be visible, and it has my add your description here and keep typing. So it will just show on hover for people. And of course, if they were to click on this and to rename it, if they have the editing capabilities and are allowed to edit, they can see it here as well, of course. So, and then you can create a different one for each tab. So if I go to prospective clients, for example, and click rename, this is a different description. So we can have a unique description for each tab. And again, I hover here and it shows. So the last way to add descriptions and context to your databases is on the properties themselves. So similar to tabs, you can add different descriptions, unique descriptions to each property separately. So let's click on package offer, name, header, and again, click edit property so we can go to the rename, so the naming field here, and same as the tabs, the database tabs, we have this little eye icon. Just going to click on it, and same thing here as database tabs, add your description. And yeah, just press enter, click off of that when you're done. And now, same thing, when you hover over the property name, it will show your description that you've typed in there. So these are three really helpful ways to just describe your database, provide more context for people accessing it, and let them know what's within.